why the clip of my file has turned brown.
Interesting. I'm glad that you have good observation skills. Well, the clip of your file has turned brown due to the formation of rust.
Rust? What is that?
Come, let me show you something. Your clip is made up of iron, and we know that in the atmosphere we have oxygen present. So these two elements react, resulting in the formation of iron oxide. We also know that in the atmosphere we have moisture present, and moisture also helps in the formation of rust. As you can see over here, iron reacts with oxygen in the presence of moisture to give you hydrated iron oxide. And this hydrated iron oxide is what is called as rust. So this is how rust is formed.
Wow, this is so fascinating. I love chemistry. Thank you, Top Scholars, for showing me the world of chemistry.
And this is possible only on Top Scholars. At Top Scholars, students can learn core concepts live from India's best teachers. By the scholars, for the scholars, Top Scholars.